We're nearing the end of the course. By now, you should be familiar with how to set up Google Analytics, how to analyze and find the data you require from each of the individual reporting sections, some overall best practices for GA, and also how you can measure your conversions. The last learning unit for this course is where we redefine the organizational approach to analytics. We'll take a step back from analytics and look at how to manage analytics within an organization. There are three aspects to consider in an organization. The first would be that of people. In most organizations, there is an execution level and a management level. At the execution level, you might have a traditional marketing team and a digital marketing team. The traditional team may be running TV ads, radio ads, out-of-home advertising, or distributing flyers and more. In a digital marketing team, you possibly have multiple team members covering different areas of digital marketing. At the execution level, you need to determine who requires what level of access and how you can facilitate that access. At the management level, it's usually more about what critical information they require and how often they require it. Normally, direct analytics access is given to employees at the execution level so that they can analyze the data and decipher for themselves what actions need to be taken. If the marketing teams are not very savvy with Google Analytics, you can give them view-only access, or you might want to create a dashboard or utilize Data Studio visualizations for them. And then you can give them access to these. In this way, the marketing team will have access to the data that is important to them. At the manager level, your manager might not be as technologically savvy or hands-on. Your manager will probably want a weekly update or a monthly update to see what's happening for the campaigns and how they're performing. So at this level, using tools like email reporting can be useful so that your manager can receive the information or reports that they require on a regular basis. At the director level, it can be quite different, as directors generally do not care about specific data points of your campaigns. They will require insights from a macro perspective and will be more concerned about the overall business health and the bottom line of the business, which is cost and revenue. They want to know how marketing is going to help them achieve a better top line, which is a higher ROI, or help them with the bottom line, which is cutting costs. As such, Google Analytics won't be able to help you. You will need to customize your reports and provide recommendations based on your own analysis of your GA data and align these insights with your director's business interest. That sums up the people aspect of your organization. In the next lesson, we'll look at the remaining aspects, which are process and technology.